I will show you how to use this device on an Android tablet. So on your Android tablet, you will go to the Play Store. You will search for PL2303. The PL2303 GPS info should show up. If it does not show on your Play Store, please contact them in order for them to send you the app. You can also use any other app that lets you use a third-party GPS. So click it to install it. You may also need to go to your settings, go to developer options, go down where it says select mock location app, and select the app that you wanted to use. This will enable your mock locations. Then you would connect the device. You select the GPS info. You can click just once or always. And once you click start GPS, now the tablet will read the GPS from the ND105C instead of the internal. Now you will leave this app running in the background, and then you will open your navigational app you want to use, and it should start using the GPS from the dongle instead of the internal.